I wish everybody a happy Merry Christmas from Tamah and her chicken named Valentine. Say Merry Christmas, Valentine, to everybody on Facebook. Go ahead, don't be shy. She's kind of shy. There she went, beep. Merry Christmas, she just said. Happy New Year. Yeah. Say I love you. I love you. Oh, she said I love you. Merry Christmas, everybody, from Tom and Valentine. Isn't she cute? Look at her little little cone on her head. Happy New Year. Look at her little feet. Uh-oh. All right. I got a chicken on one arm here. Everybody enjoy your tigers and your bears and your pet bunny rabbits and pet cats and doggies and your hippopotamuses for Christmas. Signing off from Tamah in Indiana. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.